Hey guys, it's Tanoa. Welcome back to my channel. Now for this video, really my inspo was definitely Ice Spice. I had just freshly dyed my hair, and so I'm like, let me try this hairstyle out while I have it, nice and red and gingery, because this is the hairstyle I've always wanted to do on my hair even before I dyed it. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and do it. But I had just freshly washed my hair, and I made sure it was detangled and everything so that I would have no issues with, putting in the flexi rods or anything like that. So as you saw, I did end up using a liquid leave-in rather than a cream in my hair because I knew that the cream would weigh down my hair significantly, and I wanted this hairstyle to be nice and fluffy. And I also used a mousse to create this hairstyle as opposed to gel, because mousse is much lighter than gel as well. But y'all, I can't even lie. At first, I was really struggling putting on the flexi rods, especially in the back of my head, because I feel like that's like the hardest part. But eventually I got a hold of it and knew more what I was doing, because this was my first time doing flexi rods in my hair. And I definitely struggled a little bit, so this is definitely not a tutorial at all. But eventually I got the hang of it and was able to complete my whole head. So after I had finished putting all the flexi rods on my hair, I went ahead and blow dried my hair just a little bit, because I already know my hair, like my hair takes ages to dry, so I wanted to speed up that process just a little bit. And then the next day, I went ahead and put some oil on my hands so that I could minimize frizz as well as provide a little bit of moisture to my hair. And then I proceeded to take out the flexi rods one by one. I did notice that my hair was wet, so I had to go back in with the blow dryer. I already knew my hair was gonna be wet, so yeah, I went ahead and went back in with the blow dryer so I could dry it up just a little bit more. And then all I did after that was literally fluff. I fluffed for, it seemed like an hour of fluffing. I fluffed my hair so much and separated as much as I could so that my hair could be as big as possible. So after all that fluffing, this is the final result of the hairstyle. I would definitely say that day 2 was phenomenal. Day 1, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't really like it as much. Like, it was cute, but I needed my hair to be a lot less perfect because the curls were so intact. So that's why I had to keep fluffing it out so I could create some frizz and stuff like that. But yeah, day 2, that day really ate because my hair was able to relax a little bit and get bigger. So yeah, but that's all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.